guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ope, and on my channel here I dish out natural hair care and growth secrets, as well as serve beautiful styles great for natural hair. Why don't you hit that subscribe button right now, as well as click the notification button so you never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So today's hairstyle is just a simple style with flat twist. I have a tutorial on how I flat twist my own hair, and I'll be leaving the link down below. So my hair is already moisturized. I also have a playlist on how I moisturize my hair, and I would also be leaving that down in the description. My hair is usually parted. Definitely leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.